Alright, so right now we're trying to go back home to take the cube. That was amazing. That train I did not take, that was a brief look. The outside, it's very beautiful, and I took it. It was good. So I want to say goodbye to New York Transit Museum. Going back home. Here comes the Bluebird train, also known as the 7. The 7 train, also known as the Bluebird. So here we go. But we're not gonna get on that train because we took that train already. So yeah.
You see that they have here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, folks.
Thanks.
Yes. Do you want a temporary tattoo?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. We've got 3
I tried
different
this
ones available
one.
right now.
Yeah, that was a cool one.
Yeah. Do you love the J. Wells sign? It was from Queens. Yeah,
It's a
from
pretty cool train.
Queens to
Is that your
Manhattan.
favorite train?
Well, I used to have a T train shirt. You know that?
Oh, yeah.
nice.
We have the T logo on our shirts. Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
a cool train
It's
of the
really cool
future.
blue.
Yeah.
You had that one?
Just the T and the J.
This one's a staff shirt.
Can I show you?
People asking us where to get the shirt. I'm like,
Doing shuttles between here and Ocean.
Because when
this?
we saw it, we asked
oh wow, you love the J train.
Yeah, that's my favorite line.
Nice. Do you live on the J train?
No, I used to live on the 6th line.
Oh, okay.
It's on Upper Manhattan, East Side.
Yeah, I know.
It was 116th, so
Nice.
yeah.
You guys should catch this train. It's leaving in a couple minutes.
Yeah, we took the risk.
Oh, did you go on the other
Catch all the
side?
trains on that
Yeah.
side.
The other one, yeah.
Yeah.
3 different trains.
We took the trains that they never took. It was the Brooklyn Gate cars.
Yeah.
We took the Bluebird.
Uh-huh.
We took the R1 and R9, also known as the Holiday
Nice.
train.
Did you get on the standards?
Standards? Yeah.
You got on that one?
Tattoos if
Okay.
you'd like.
Yeah, I took it from last year.
Oh, cool. Nice. So I'm glad you're here today. I'm glad you guys enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta have a great time for the fall season because it's starting to get fall for the little cool season.
I know. It's turning into fall. Not today. Today it's hot. But
Yeah, yeah. As soon as they turn cool
yeah.
outside, I'll see you later.
Yeah, see you at the museum maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna be working with the MTA in the future.
Nice.
So-
Good for you. All right. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Have a great afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, this is a paper of this that, of course, the parade of trains, which we have took all these trains, and then the open house, which means they could have a press conference there, which means for the elevator and escalator machines, of course, the address is right here, and you're gonna go here and then take the trains you took, and then the escalator you get that location. Of course, the starting rate is it's a little bit infinite. It's $38.29. So, and here's all the descriptions you read about. So, yeah. very nice train. I think it was my favorite train. I think that was my favorite train that I take. That my first time here. Because since I took the Standards train last year with my dad, and then like I didn't know it was gonna be like that for some reason. For this train, like this is one of the very oldest trains. And of course, here comes an R162 train. I mean, Q train. Sorry, I said 2. And that was the Q. Oh, the sign. Epic fail is not working. Epic fail. We got a broken sign. Wow, we got broken.
You're not gonna sit down?
No. Yeah. I'm good. I don't want to sit. So we got a broken.
Let me put your card. The card here.
Thank you. Wow. We got a broken sign already. That's a complete epic fail. You know what they announced today because of the capital plan that they're gonna put the new technology kind of on the L line. That was I believe it was the UWS. Here comes an AB Standards coming right now. So here he is. I saw it right there. This is one of the train cars I took last year. Yeah, those trains that I took last year.
I'm having fun.
Yeah. It was the old train that like the one of the best old trains. Alright, so that is the end of the New York Transit Museum. Of course, the New York Transit trip, which is both of the vintage trains, only 4. So I hope you keep looking forward for more trips. So stay tuned for the next one, for the next New York Transit Museum trip. So thank you for watching.